failed its MOT, minor holes, and the plan is to fix them and get it back on track. I rusted out with holes, but this bottom edge is pretty bad. It's not the perfect delicious milk. It could have gone worse. The rust goes all the way. As we already knew, this sill is a total mess. This bit basically just seems like it's glued in place. The mysterious plate that was in there just floating around. Milk time. Progress update. Hopefully that will hold out. Is this going to be an easy job or is it going to be difficult? It's going to be the second one. And then I started looking down the sill and I saw that basically this whole pinch weld looks bad. That didn't work. There's a hole. Oh, that's tight. Why it was so tight was because that nut's actually welded on. Milk time! Looks a bit better. Let's see if this works. Oh my god, look at that. At least the fabrication of this has gone pretty well. Cutting out this material and putting this in, the wheel arch piece. If I just line that up. Look at that, it looks like it did from the factory. It's milk time! Time to seal up. I know which way up the hubs go. I put the hub on upside down initially. Just to investigate. So I'm on fire. Ow! Could I? Nope, nope. Welcome back, viewers. Long time no see, but we are back for the series finale of Car SOS. Because the other day I took the car along to get an MOT and they gave me this, which was a failed MOT for some silly little things that didn't take long to fix. But then I came back and I got a pass. I don't know if you can read that, but I got a pass. So, success. The car is now road legal again. So MOT acquired. What have you missed in the interim period while I haven't been making videos? Well, the first one is we sorted out the wing mirror that had fallen off. Turns out that wing mirrors are shockingly expensive. I thought they'd be about £10 on eBay, but that was not the case. The car also had an alignment, so the wheel's pointing in the right direction now. Unsurprisingly, it was pretty terrible to drive before. Put the new suspension on the car. I set it up, I think, as high as it will go. It's still very, very low, and I had some incidents while driving it through places with lots of speed bumps. I'm maybe not that experienced at driving quite a low car, and I found a little issue. So that is a hole in what I assume is the cat. I got the engine running now. I don't think it's a leak. I think that the hole is actually in like the protective casing or something. It's obviously not ideal. So that's on the list of things that need to be addressed, but we're still going to send it. It's already got a hole in it. I assume it needs replacing, so it'll either be all right or it won't be, and it's probably a replacement exhaust either way. Great stuff. Today's the first track day for this car. I'm going to call it a shakedown, but that's really a bit grand. It's just a track day. It's a track evening at Donington Park. Done some final little bits of prep. I gave the car a bit of a clean, because appearances are very important to me and everything needs to look absolutely perfect. But maybe more importantly, I mounted the bucket seat, just one of them for now. So this is on the seat mounts that I made in a previous episode. All I've done is just paint those to make them look a bit nicer and installed some eyelets in for the harnesses and things, so that's all mounted properly. And you'll be seeing some footage from later. Added a GoPro mount there so that I can bring you with me on the track day. The plan is, I'm in the simulator, I'm in an NC MX5, and I'm going to give my thoughts and feelings about the track that we're going to be going to later on today. The ultimate driving machine. They've forgotten to put a Mazda badge next to that. So we're coming down here into the first corner. I feel like I don't know the line here. and I will not brake anywhere near that late in real life. And in fact, I've missed the apex on this in the simulator. That's good. And now we're sliding, and that's not something I'm very interested in doing in real life. The crane curves downhill. You can't see any of the apexes. According to this, we'll be going like 100 miles an hour. I will absolutely be lifting there, probably braking, probably crying. Old hairpin. That's quite a fun corner. I feel like if you had some driving skill, you might be able to do that quite nicely. Unfortunately, I don't have any, which brings us into this corner that I don't understand. I don't know where to brake, I don't know where to turn in. I don't know. I just don't understand that one. And we've got this one at the top. Where's the corner? No one knows. Terrible design. I wouldn't have done it like that. So I'm not looking forward to that. Much like I'm not looking forward to this. Look at this straight. According to this, again, I don't know how similar this is to my car, but this has like 100 miles an hour, and there's no chance I would be braking that late. Not in a million years. Then you come through this chicane. If I hit any of those curves, I'll probably rip the bottom of my car off. And then at this point, I would be pulling off into the pits there to cry and not do any more laps and call the series a success. That's my review of Donington Park. So here we are, Donington Park in the paddock. Some pretty cool cars here. I think that's a Mark 4 MX5 there. Okay, we are T-minus half an hour till sighting laps. Tyre pressures set initially. Wheel nuts torqued up and checked. Let's get up there. 20 minutes to go, update. You can't read that. It says high stress. We're in the queue for the sighting lap. We're ready. The car's warmed up. Harnesses are done. Helmet's on. GoPro's on. Hope I don't stall. That would be embarrassing. Oh boy. We're going. So I thought while this lap plays out, I'd do a quick voiceover summary of the day, while you enjoy my amazing driving, which was pretty much as bad as on the simulator, just slower. So the car felt awesome. It felt really good with all the suspension and all the upgrades and things I'd done. Way quicker around the track than I am capable of driving it, especially down the craner curves here. Forget going flat. On the simulator I was going flat down there. I was wondering, oh, could I do that in real life? In real life I wasn't even accelerating down there, I was just coasting down that hill. So I'd say Donington Park, absolutely terrifying, but loads of fun. I was definitely the slowest person there for the whole evening. I was getting overtaken by vans and all sorts, but I had a great time, so I'm not complaining about that. And probably helped by the fact that I was going so slowly. I didn't have any troubles with the car at all, no problems at all. So I'd call the whole thing a massive success. Nice way to finish off the series. So there will be more track days in the future, obviously, but this is going to be the end of the Car SOS series. The car is revived, back on the road, back doing track days. Maybe there'll be some more videos, maybe there won't be, I don't know, but here we are, end of the day, end of the track evening. The car is still in one piece. We didn't have any troubles with it. Performed well. Thumbs up. Series success. Series over. Peace out.